Today I'm coming to you with this unit from Main Concept. It is called Neon Girl. If you want to know what I think about it, you know what you got to do. Keep watching. Here is the stock card. It comes in 5 different neon colors. Of course, I will leave the link down below. It has 2 combs in the front that is on each side of the lace parting. It also has a comb in the back with a drawstring that can be adjusted to fit your head properly. This is what the parting space looks like on the other side, and it does have lace in the front that will need to be cut off. Okay, now I cut the lace off of it. I think it's cute, but one thing I would do is take this black mascara it doesn't have to be perfect, just I did want to mention I take the mascara wand and go back and forth like that because I didn't want the black color to just be on the top. I want it to go all the way through so that if I comb in a different direction, it'll still be a black root. I think that looks so much better with it being black. Need some more mascara on this side. You can also blend it into your hairline here too, or do that sometime. This is just an old mascara that I have around the house that I use just for this purpose of doing this. I don't use it for my everyday mascara. We all got an old mascara around the house that we can use for this purpose. And I already put pomade on my edges. Got the pomade from shophairwigs.com as well. I actually like it better the way they have it now. I actually do like it once I turn it, the ear tabs the way that it's supposed to be. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to tuck this little piece behind the ear. Adorable. I think that's adorable. The mascara definitely makes it more wearable. And so I'll put that mascara on this side. So I'm going to take a little bit of pomade. This is a 48 hour. Again, you can get this from shophairwigs.com as well. And put a little bit on the edge, just a little bit to tame it down. You could put a scarf on it if you want to, but I'm not. And I am going out with this unit on today because it's a very hot day out there today. So this is just the perfect length for it to be so hot outside. And the blue is so vibrant. And you know what? I think I'm going to put a little bit of powder in the part. Just a little bit. The parting space is pretty good. Now when I put foundation in the part, I like to bring it into my head a little bit. Oh yes, The cut is adorable. So cute. Look. Let me turn around. This is the way it looks in the back. I always come to you guys with something long and voluptuous, which that's my favorite, but I wanted to do something very fun and sassy for the summertime. It's on trend right now with the neon hair. So I want to have some of the fun with the neon girl. Now that I've done my tweaks to this unit, I really do thoroughly think this is cute. I'm going to be wearing this today. It's cut in a layered bob, kind of a blunt cut layer bob. As you see the movement is so lightweight. I really like it. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's definitely big head girl friendly. I think it's neon blue, but it's not so overpowering that it would look like, why the hell she got a neon blue wig. It comes in many different neon colors. Of course, I will leave the link down below, but I really think it's not much you really can see about this unit. It's really self-explanatory. It's a short neon blue bob. I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I want to thank shophairwigs.com for sending this unit out to me for review purposes. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase this unit for yourself. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.